Can you define earmark revenues through you, Madam Speaker?
Earmarked revenues, Madam Speaker, are identified revenues required by law to be used for designated activities, benefits, or purposes which can be either classified as use of income or special account in the general fund or SAGF.
Nung pong nag-interpolate tayo, sinabi po sa akin that the cash isn't available because the cash is being used. Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, tama po ba na pwedeng gamitin ang earmark revenues ng national government wherever it pleases?
Yun ang practice po ng natin. But let me explain.
Madam Speaker, yung tanong ko po, hindi kung practice siya or hindi. Tama po ba na ginagamit natin ang earmark revenues for